It's crazy to me how you are an outgoing integrator who could handle sales, right? Like you're one, like you don't see your
Yeah.
personality type a lot, right? Because like
No.
your degrees in finance, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. And
Economics.
Well, he's on a
economics.
podcast with us right now. Most integrators aren't typically aren't the face of the business either. Most of them are behind the scenes.
So it is interesting because most people can't do both, but I'm almost exactly like my dad. My dad's probably one of the smartest people I know. His memory is complete opposite of mine, where he can remember everything. Like anything he learns, he can almost verbatim remember it. He can like quote history and all this different, stuff that he's learned over the years. But he can get into all the weeds, but then he can be the front facing sales guy and close deals. And so I don't know if I just inherited that or learned it over the years on my own. But I even like accounting. Like I set up all of our QuickBooks. I went through the Fortune Builders program, and Paul Asasian goes through and teaches you how to do QuickBooks because he's the CFO for Fortune Builders. So I set all that up. I work with our CPAs and bookkeeper and go through all that, and I look at those transactions every day and make sure that they're right. And then I set up all of our systems, but then handle sales if we need to as well.